It's post-election period in Cameroon, reporting live from Yaounde, and by now we're hoping that the result of the presidential election would have been announced, but that hasn't been the case. We're told that the results will come out by the 22nd or 23rd of this October, but a communique recently came out that they are going to actually follow the number of days put aside for the elections to be released. So we're told that the elections will be announced on Monday, which is barely 2 days from now. So unlike other countries, in Cameroon, after voting is done, they take 15 days to announce the presidential election, who is the winner. And in other countries, I know the results come out like a day before or 2 days after, or might be as they are doing the voting, they are counting, you already know who is winning. But with us, we are just settled with what is put there by the law. So this has caused a lot of tension out there because a lot of people actually want to know what will be the outcome, who is going to actually be the leader, and things have been happening before voting day and now. A lot of things have been going on in the country. Like before voting, a lot of people went out, stocked their houses with foodstuffs. Like everywhere in the market was congested with people. People want to actually buy because they don't know what will be the outcome of the voting day. Now the voting day came and passed, and now same thing happened before the 22nd. People actually went out there, bought food stuff. There was no space to actually pass inside the market. Everywhere was full with people, and some people are taking this as an advantage. Like the sellers, they actually increase the prices of certain goods, and you as a buyer, you have no choice either to buy it or to allow the goods. So that's how life has been going on, and it hasn't been easy because there are things that I actually ask myself, like if the election is actually free and fair as you guys said, why would they be putting rules and regulations and they are banning certain things? Like in every day we get up in having new communique being sent out, regulations being sent out. They have banned motorbikes in certain regions for them not to function or not to work in certain hours of the day. They have banned people to go out to protest. Like I keep asking myself, why all these? Because if you guys are actually saying that all this should not happen, it seems as if something is wrong somewhere. Because ask yourself, you too, if everything is actually free and fair, you will not see them be sending out such communique. People will just go about with their normal life and hoping to wait to see the results to be announced. But now there is a lot of tension when they actually give some of this communique outside, because people start thinking, in fact, I don't know, but then we are just hoping that the outcome at the end should be a better one. That's our hope. So life hasn't been that easy, filming out there as a content creator with me hasn't been the best at this period. Now I'll tell you, I spend most of my times at home. I don't actually go out. Please mind the noise outside. I don't actually go out, and going out to film at this time too, it's actually dangerous, I would say, because placing your phone out there to make a video, people might be thinking like different. They might be thinking that maybe you have been sent, you're an agent, you want to actually film or you want to record to go and send somewhere else, to go and give somewhere else. And in Cameroon Penal Code, there is a restriction of you filming government properties. It's just that most of the times when we are in town filming, those images come in and we are just lucky in that case. But then now it's a crucial moment, and I don't want to actually take the risk to film outside. So I'm just like staying indoors. I go out when it is necessary, and that being the case. So today I'm actually going to actually do my hair. I want to actually plait my hair, and my ID card got missing. I was actually robbed, and one of my valuables I lost was my ID card. So I actually went and did a new ID card, and that's why have been stocked here in Yaounde. So hopefully, looking at the time now, I just hope that maybe by the time I get to town, I'll be able to go to the ID place to actually check if my ID card has been out. Because if my ID card has been out, one way I'm going to Bamenda. Recently too, I had an accident and I have appointment same today to go to the hospital to actually do the cleaning. But I think I'll probably do that in the evening since it's not actually far from my house. Anyway, that being the case, let's see how the rest of the day is going to look like. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed up to this time, do me a favor to subscribe, like, and share the video. And let's see.
Perfect night.
First mission failed. I went to get my ID and the place is actually locked. It's 10 minutes to 5. They're very closed. So they're telling me that it's only on Tuesday I should come on Wednesday. Because since they're proclaiming results on Monday, they won't be open. At this point, let me just rush to where I have to go do my hair and calf. I hope I succeed there because I already informed my barber since he works with the lady at the same place. I already informed them that I'm coming. But I gave them 3:30 and the time now is by 5 I should be there, I guess. So that's it. I made it to the salon, but fortunately I could not do the style I wanted because my hair was short and I did not want hair extension, so we had to go in for an inner bakala, and this is the look after my hair has been done. Then I later on went and carved to have another perfect look here.